Number 1. 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome blends mobile luxury with royal car craftsmanship, pricing, and location. The $450,000 IDR 6.99 billion pricing is equivalent to high-end electric campers. Limited availability for premium clients seeking exclusivity. Exterior and chassis. Though a concept, the spirit of ecstasy, curving coach-built silhouette, and Pantheon grille evoke aerodynamics and luxury. Comfort and interior. Interiors resemble a 5-star suite with hand-stitched leather, polished hardwood floors, luxurious materials, and handmade cabinetry. In the kitchen and living space, a wine fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, and big shower with marble accents are featured. The master bedroom has a king-size bed and plenty of storage. Technology and performance. Advanced suspension, noise cancellation, adaptive cruise, premium sound system, and smart home connectivity. For an electric vehicle of this size, the powertrain is likely electric or hybrid with good comfort and energy use. Advantages. Rolls-Royce quality mobile craftsmanship. Driving systems and smart homes are high-tech. Home-like, spacious interior with all amenities. The Rolls-Royce is imposing and iconic. Very quiet, smooth, and elegant ride. Cons, expensive, about $500,000 to start, possibly more in configurations. Maintenance requires expensive, professional service. Size. Large footprints make parking and city travel challenging. Energy consumption. High gas prices require electric charging. Production is likely limited. Over luxury. Casual RVers may find it unnecessary. For whom? Rich vacationers demand a portable 5-star room. Luxury and brand-conscious people. Rolls-Royce collectors developing their collection in comfort. To conclude, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome concept pushes mobile luxury with opulent living, excellent craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. It competes with private planes and yachts better than RVs. Although the facilities and architecture are lovely, their size, cost, and utility are overwhelming. Number 2. 2025 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. Mobile Home Prevost Liberty Coach 2025. Liberty Coach built this Prevost-based RV with unparalleled engineering and elegance. Liberty Coach has the ultimate comfort, design, and performance luxury RV. Performance sharp powertrain. A Volvo D13 engine with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission provides torque, smooth shifts, and long-distance performance under the svelte shell. Over 500 horsepower, 1,850 pound-foot torque. Smooth raised ride on Prevost H345 VIP chassis. Ride quality, highway speed air suspension seems floaty. Despite its size, the Liberty Coach handles difficult terrain and lengthy hauls with stability, power, and confidence. New exterior appearance for 2025 includes custom-painted logos, full-body stainless trim, and LED lighting. Every Liberty Coach is painted differently. High-polish stainless steel accents, flush-mounted slide-outs, secret compartments, electric awnings, exterior 360-degree cameras. Comfortable interior. Imagine entering a 5-star suite. Each Liberty Coach uses premium materials and automation. Living area, electric fireplace, huge OLED TV, reclining theater seats, king-size bed, adjustable foundation, walk-in cedar closet, and underbed storage in the bedroom. Bath, TV lit backlit mirror, heated marble floors, rainfall shower. This cabin has leather seats, real wood veneer, and unique lighting. Liberty's iPad-controlled coach controls lighting, temperature, and blinds. Liberty Coach continues to lead coach electronics in 2025. Crestron automation system with 4K OLED TVs and surround sound. Coach 5G Wi-Fi with satellite TV off-grid. Everything works well and is lovely. Safety features include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, stability control, infrared night vision, smoke, gas, and CO2 sensors. You'll feel luxurious car safe. Pricing, Expensive 2025 Liberty Coach, starting at 2.5 million USD. Fully outfitted custom builds, 3 million plus. Liberty provides personalized layouts, color schemes, and technology bundles. Luxury interior and craftsmanship rides well on Prevost chassis. Innovative automation, connectivity, durability, build quality, and buyer customization. Cons pricey. Large size limits camping or urban access. Requires driving or chauffeur verdict. Elites choose the 2025 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. The Rolling Palace is handcrafted for ultra-luxury travel without compromise. For the wealthy, the Liberty Coach is the most luxurious, technologically advanced, and prestigious RV.